I'm Amelia. I'm in grade 10 and I came from John D. Bracco Junior High.
Hi, Kevin Atchison, otherwise known around here as Mr. Atchison or Mr. A, and I am the Department Head of Career Pathways at Eastglen.
Hi, I'm Alexis and I'm in grade 11.
Hi, future Blue Devils. My name is Miss Hamer. I am the visual arts and one of the photography teachers here at Eastglen.
Hi, my name is Aline and I'm in grade 12.
Very positive. Like, there's never anybody who's like, oh, you're not good at this. Like, the teachers are always encouraging you to do better.
Well, like my experience, it was really good in grade 10. It was so much fun. There was no coronavirus and it was great. I loved it so much, yeah.
It's great. The community around here is so nice. Everyone, the teachers are really supportive throughout all the learning, and it's just a really great community.
It's different right now because all the coronavirus and everything, but I can say that the teachers, you guys, everybody have put an effort to make a difference and make us feel more comfortable and feel like nothing has changed. So you guys really, you made us feel there's not that big of a change that happened. So it's great. I like it.
The diversity. We have so many cultures, religions, colors, everything here. There's so much.
One of the things that I love about Eastglen is the culture of creativity, and that our students here are able to express themselves, experiment, and explore different avenues in ways to engage with the world around them and to also share parts of themselves.
Been here well over 15 years. I actually live in the neighborhood. I love this building. I love the kids that come here. I love seeing the kids in the summer or out biking or walking their dogs or walking on Ada Boulevard. I just really immerse myself totally in this school and in this community.
Really being part of the community and doing something for your community. I mean, we all try our best, especially in these really hard times with COVID, and just doing our best and succeeding in the best way possible.
It means being a leader, being involved in your community, and being involved with your surroundings.
Oh, the biggest part of it is being part of a community, and also having a home away from home that you can come back to. There's so many of our alumni that I'm still in contact with, and so our community and our Blue Devils, it transcends the year you graduated from. Once you're here and you become a Blue Devil, you are part of this larger family. We have a strong alumni. There's lots of things that happen in our school to get you involved and part of it. So being a Blue Devil, I think the biggest thing is that once you're a Blue Devil, you're always a Blue Devil.
Being a Blue Devil just is passion, it's pride, it's being involved, it's being engaged. And this is a school that is so steep in tradition. Personally, for me, both my parents were graduates of Eastglen High School. Both my mother and father-in-law were graduates of Eastglen High School. My wife's older sister, older brother, both of the spouses that they married, it's all about community. They're all Eastglen grads. They have great memories of their time here, and being a Blue Devil is just about carrying on those traditions and being proud of where you're at, what you belong to here, and those memories that you have that you will really cherish forever.
As they say, once a Blue Devil, always a Blue Devil. So it's blood. I love this school, for real. Even people will be like, Eastglen isn't blah 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 blah. I'm like, I love the school. There's nothing wrong with it. So yeah, really means a lot.